Hello everyone and welcome back to this channel, and today we're doing a review on the best accounting tools. Accounting AI tools out there. 7 best AI accounting software for 2025. Now let's get started. Now if you are sick of endless spreadsheets and tax time panic, then AI accounting software is your answer. Imagine automatic tracking, streamlined invoicing, and insights for smarter financial decisions. Get ready to transform your bookkeeping with the best AI-powered tools. Because traditional accounting can feel like a never-ending nightmare, but fear not, because AI is here to save the day. AI accounting software takes the tedious work off your plate, lets you explore, and find the perfect fit. So let us look at them. Well, we've checked on seven options, and now we're going to introduce them to you, and then you find the perfect fit for your business. So let's get started. The first one we're going to be looking at is this one, which is Docty. You can see it's Docty AI or Doct AI, where you get real-time end-to-end bookkeeping automation, see your expenses and profitability in real time. Now, what it's about? Think of it as your tireless virtual bookkeeper. It shines in automation, streamlining your accounting processes with incredible precision. So imagine a smoother month-end close. That's right, effortless revenue reconciliation and real-time financial insight at your fingertips. Next, let's look at the key benefits of this. Yes, what are the key benefits? What do you enjoy from this? Well, you get automation and efficiency because Doc AI, which is AI accounting, automates 95% plus of your tedious accounting tasks. Also, analytics and reporting. Powerful dashboards reveals insightful patterns in your research, in your finances actually. Then, cloud-based access. You securely work from anywhere, anytime. Cloud-based access, and next is scalability. It is designed to grow with your business, and when it comes to security, it has bank level encryption and rigorous compliance to keep your data protected. It also has mobile apps, so you can track and approve expenses or payments on the go, available on App Store and Google Play. Now when it comes to pricing, we have pricing here for businesses and for accounting firms or CFO services. Now the starting price, as you can see, for businesses and accounting firms, we have $209 per month. We have the advanced plan of $499 per month. We have the advanced plus plan of $799 per month, enterprise plan of $999 per month. There's so many things you can get from them. Just check out this page. Now, if you go for accounting firms and CFO services, the plans also is a little different. You have what they call the higher. You have this. You have to fill in all this, and then they will tell you the plan as it is. You have to like custom planning. Now, let's look at the pros and the cons. Yes. We have under the pros, we have advanced automation for incredible time savings, user-friendly interface with minimal onboarding, excellent analytics and reporting tools. But when it comes to the cons, as you saw when I opened up the pricing, I'm sure some of you are wondering what? That's right, it can be pricier compared to more basic options. Some features may have a little learning curve too. That's the second disadvantage or con. Let's try the next one. Now when it comes to Blue Dot, yes, Blue Dot specializes in simplifying. Blue Dot is the world's leading AI tax compliance platform. Yes, it specializes in simplifying the complex world of tax compliance, especially for global businesses. That's right. This could be your lifesaver if you must navigate international regulations or handle many employee expenses. The key benefits are tax expertise, automation and efficiency, analytics and reporting, cloud-based access, scalability, and security. Now, when it comes to pricing, you can see there's no option for checking the price here. When it comes to pricing, you have to contact Blue Dot for personalized quotes based on your specific needs. Now, let's look at the pros. It has niche expertise in global tax compliance, There's a reduced risk of costly tax mistakes and excellent for businesses with complex employees expense structures. But when it comes to the cons, it may be less suitable for those needing basic bookkeeping features, and the custom pricing could be more opaque for smaller businesses. Now we're looking at the next one, which is bill. Now let's look at bill. Bill is your financial operations platform. As you can see, intelligent way to create and pay bills, send invoices, manage expenses, control budgets, and access the credit your business needs to grow, all in one platform, which is great. So it's a well-rounded solution for simplifying unpaid and receivable accounts of businesses of all sizes. It optimizes a cash flow and streamlines financial interaction with vendors and clients. Then it's a solid choice for businesses seeking to improve efficiency across their accounts payable and receivable processes. The key benefits are accounts payable and receivable focus, AP/ARO, automation and efficiency, cash flow management, cloud access, yes, cloud-based access, scalability, security, and integration. Now, when it comes to pricing, these are the plans: essential plan, which you pay $22.50 per month, team plan $27.50 per month, corporate at $9.50 per month, and custom pricing. It's kind of very cheap, I must say. It's really good. Then you also get live chat and phone solution for all your plans. Now, what are the pros and cons? For the pros, easy to use and intuitive interface, excellent AP/AR management features, and robust integration with popular platforms. Now, what are the cons? Reporting capabilities could be more advanced for some, and it may lack the customization depth of some competitors. Now we're looking at the last one, which is FinSync. Let's look at FinSync. This is Bedo. Wow, this is FinSync. Here we go. Fin system. Now, sorry, it's not Fin system I'm supposed to search for. It's supposed to be FinSync. The last one we have is FinSync. Unfortunately, you can see I'm not able to access finsync.com. I've been blocked, what can I do to resolve it, blah blah blah. So at the end of the whole thing, we can only review. So with all this, I believe we should be able to make informed decisions. Do not forget that there are some things you should look for. Look for integration with existing systems. Look for machine learning algorithm. Look for data analysis and reporting, natural language processing, customization and scalability, security and compliance, expense management, readable analytic and cash flow forecasting, automation of repetitive tasks, user-friendly interface support and training, robotic process automation, fraud detection, and client communication. So select the right AI accounting software by considering a mix of everything just mentioned. Focus on these critical aspects and leverage AI to enhance financial data analysis. So that is it. So just best choice depends on you. Hope you found this video helpful. Do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more. Thanks for watching.